Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the Shield ready. Power it on and stay on the home screen. Make sure the remote has fresh AAA batteries. A weak battery blocks pairing. Now move to settings, right arrow remotes and accessories on your Shield because this is where pairing is initiated. Once there, select Add Accessory. This step tells the Shield to look for a remote. You do this now to force the console into discovery. After selecting Add Accessory, get the remote in the right state for the next step. Once you've selected Add Accessory, put the remote into pairing mode by pressing and holding the home and back buttons together for about 3 to 10 seconds. You'll feel a brief vibration or see an LED blink. The Shield should show an on-screen prompt like Found Remote. Select it immediately. If it doesn't appear, release, wait a few seconds and try again. Make sure the remote buttons are fully pressed and batteries are seated. This manual pairing ensures a direct Bluetooth link rather than relying on IR or other methods. When the Shield confirms the remote, test navigation, home, and volume buttons to verify full control, you should immediately be able to navigate the UI. If some buttons are unresponsive, make sure the Shield system firmware is up to date and then repair. If pairing fails repeatedly, perform a quick remote reset by removing batteries for 10 seconds, reinserting them, and repeating the home plus back press during Add Accessory. If problems persist, try new batteries or move sources of interference away from the Shield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.